Hey guys, today we are working on another wood project. This project is about to make a step for our 2 years old little girl in order to go up to the toilet. So as you can see here, we have the legs here and then the 2 steps. For this we will use the plywood in order to make the shape and start cutting it on a laser cutter. So now we have designed here the leg on Adobe Illustrator. Now the leg is ready. Then we have to go File, Print on the laser. Then as you can see, this comes to the laser like that, and we switch on the laser. Then we go Settings, and in the settings we have to choose the type of the material, which is plywood 3 millimeter. Then we apply. Then you can see, then we can increase maybe the speed of 20%, so it goes a little bit faster and not make so much burn marks. So when this is ready, then we click OK. Then what we have to do is to take the plywood, replace on the in the area where the laser cutter is supposed to cut. Then we have to come and take the pointer and have it on the right corner of the place. Once it's there, you will be able to see the laser cutter, the starting point. So now we are ready. We can close the door, start the suction system, and we start cutting. Now the operation just started, and also you can see the laser start cutting it. The cutting is completed. Then we just take it out. Now, as you can see, one of the legs are ready. Now we have to print 3 pieces more, and then at the end we have to glue with this one together in order to complete one leg. Okay, so far we have made 3 pieces for one leg and 3 pieces for the other leg. The last piece for the leg, we have to make some adjustments on the holes in order the head can fit inside of the leg. So this means we have to go back to the program and make the holes little bit wider. Now we made the holes a little bit wider, and then we print again. Now we finish all the pieces, and as we said, the last piece we made with a bigger hole that the head of the screw can go through. Then we have cut some plywood for this, which we can sit here like that, and then the small one can be here. But before we put those, we have to use the glue in order to glue them together, and then we assemble with the screws. Okay, now time to put them together with the glue. Now we start putting it, and afterwards we do with the brush. Now the pieces are ready, as you can see. Now we start putting the first piece with screw here. Okay, the first one we set it up, screw nicely, then we go the second one. Okay, now the bottom one also is finished and the step is ready. However, as you can see, there is a small mistake on the design, because the lower step should be a little bit more out, otherwise the leg will be hard to put in here. So therefore we have made a little bigger piece which can go a little bit out, like that one. So we have to just remove the small piece and replace it with that piece. Okay, now we have replaced the piece, and now is ready. As you can see, looks very nice. Of course, if you guys if you are gonna make the same, you can also paint it. But I like also to see like as it is without paint. Thank you for watching, and I hope you will do the same for your kid.